Hi, I'm Joe at the Turning Tides project. We are looking for a support worker. The start wages are £9.50 per hour, full-time and part-time, including evenings and weekends available. We are looking for people that are reliable, enthusiastic, genuine, energetic, honest, hardworking and efficient. Please apply if you are interested in music, film, gardening, catering, the arts, the outdoors, sport, employability and work skills. You must treat people with respect, share our company values and be willing to learn. This role focuses on providing high quality one-to-one support and group support within a 30-mile radius of Crediton. Full driver's license is essential. To apply, please email your CV and covering letter to info@theturningtidesproject.org.uk. If you have any questions, feel free to call us on 01363 772 512 or find us on social media by scanning this advert QR code. Applications must be received by the 4th of February. Interviews will take place on the 8th of February. See you again.
Yeah.
Yeah. I blipped a bit, but that doesn't matter.